Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at the add index transformations here in Power Query. So right now we're in simple toolbar transformations.xlsx. We're in the add index sheet. Here's the data that we want to work with, so we're going to click on the table somewhere and head up to the Power Query tab in the ribbon and get data from table to load it into Power Query. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got all of our products, and we've got the total sales for each product, and rather than it being ordered by product ID, which is what you normally see, we've actually got it ordered by total sales. So here, the Scone Mini Blueberry, apparently that's our top selling product, and the medium coffee is our bottom selling product, which is kind of counterintuitive, but apparently that's the way it is. And this is pretty cool. The problem is that here for the first couple rows, it's pretty easy to see, all right, this is the number one selling product, this is the number two selling product. But if you come down here, it's a little harder to say, wait, which number selling product is this? What's the rank of this thing? So we're going to add an index to make it a little bit easier to see that. So we're going to go up here to add columns, and we're going to add an index column. I'm going to click on the little downward arrow, and I'm going to do a from one index. So it starts at 1, and it just keeps going up 1 for each row. So 1 through 20. Okay, I'm going to right click and rename this to rank. That makes a little more sense to me. And I'm also going to right click, go to move. I did that a little fast. I'm going to right click on it, go to move, and go to beginning to send this from over here to all the way over there, because I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to remove product ID because I guess I don't really want to look at it for this particular report. Okay, that looks pretty good. You might be wondering, when we clicked on the downward arrow up here, we've got from 1, which is what we use. We've also got from 0, so let's click on that and just see what it does. So rather than starting at 1 and going up 1 for each row, this starts at 0 and also goes up 1 for each row. So you might be wondering, this makes a lot of sense why you would want to use this. When would you ever want to use something like this? Well, when you're writing your own M code, when you're writing your own sort of advanced queries here in Power Query, what you'll find is that the first row in Power Query, they don't call it row 1, they actually call it row 0. So so if you wanted to create a column that indicates which row this is as far as Power Query is concerned, that's when you'd use an index that starts at 0 and goes all the way up. So let's go ahead and remove that. That's when you would use that. You could also do like a custom one where you could say, hey, we want to start at, 20. And for every row, let's just go down 3 for no particular reason. And click OK. So now it starts at 20 and every row it goes down 3. The cases where you would use something like that are fewer, but they might come up, and that's how you use it. Okay, well, I do hope that was helpful, and I will see you next video.